Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to add months to today's date in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to add 3 months to today's date, just like we have here in cell A2. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So first of all, how do I get today's date? Well, if I click in A2 and I type equals today with a left parenthesis and a right parenthesis, and then I hit enter, I can see that today's date of June 19th, 2024 is being displayed. Now, if I want to add 3 months to that date, I'm going to click back in A2 and I'm going to click right here between the equal sign and the today function. And I'm going to enter a new function called eDate with a left parenthesis. And eDate allows you to add a number of months to a specific date. So the first argument in eDate is the start date. So I'm going to put today as the start date. And then I'm going to click at the end of my today function with the parentheses and then type a comma. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And then I'm being prompted for the number of months I wish to add. So in this case, I'm going to type 3 and then close my parentheses for eDate and hit enter. And I can see that I'm being returned with 9/19/2024, which is in fact exactly 3 months from 6/19/2024. Now there are a lot of other ways to do this, and we go over those options out on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.